Hey guys, so a lot of you guys have been probably asking me like, why is there a dad in the family? Basically, I wanted to add a dad in the family. I was like thinking of making him single, but I was like, no, I'm just gonna add a dad to the family. Just letting you guys know, just in case you guys were like confused or like, why? But yeah, anyways, let's get started. I do not know how to make baby noises, so don't comment on that. I do not want to go, get up. Same here. But it is your turn. No, it's your turn. Puppies. No, it's your turn because yesterday I was up all night just trying to feed the baby and trying to calm her down and put her to sleep. So it is your turn. Yeah, I keep doing that. But either ways, you have to go to work, so that's why we both have to get up. Great. Work. I'm so excited for work. Sorry, honey, but life isn't fair. I know. But either ways, I gotta go wake up the kids, so you have to stay here with the baby. What? That is not fair. Well, life ain't fair. Bye, honey. Go. Okay, there we go. Great. As I forgot to put the kids to sleep, and they're still awake. Bro, my Toca Boca is so laggy. Like, what is going on? Like, gosh, can you... Bro, listen, I need to get out of my Toca Boca and literally... Come on. And then go like that. And then... Can you hurry up? And then just go Toca Boca. Come on. Anyways, I got my Toca Boca working now. Okay, now I just gotta go and wake up the kids. Well, the twins actually. Alan, come on. Wake up. Time to go to school. Alan. Great. He's not gonna wake up. What do you want, Mommy? Oh, well, he's gonna wake up. Gosh, why did... Oops. I accidentally deleted it. I will not delete this video, but like... What do you want, Mommy? I don't want to wake up. Oh, actually, they're all in a bad mood. Let me guess. I have to go to stupid school. Yep, that is right. Wait. Let's put my toys and stuff here. Take out my pacifier. Over there. Ready, okay? Yeah, I know. No need to put that attitude on me. Come on. Whatever. Hopefully Avery's in a better mood. Avery, come on, wake up. I don't want to wake up. Sorry, honey. We just have to wake up for school. Stupid school. No grunting. Okay. Anyways, let's just go wake up Camilla. Up in the room. Guys, I don't know if you can hear this, but I'm watching TV right now. Tocote, go subscribe to her. But yeah, I'm watching TV right now and sorry for the background noise. By the way, guys, yeah, because my parents are probably watching the scary movie, so my mom likes to scream a lot during those. Anyways, let's continue on with the role play. Anyways, let's go. Come on, Camilla. It's time to wake up. Why are you waking me up, Mom? I slept so early. Okay, first of all, no need to be all grumpy and mad at me. And second of all, you have school today. Great. School. I am so excited for it. I don't care if you're excited or not, Camilla. You have to get ready. I do not want you missing the bus. Okay. Jeez, just leave my room, please. I'm gonna get ready. Come on, just leave my room. Wash your tone, Missy. Honestly, like, what is going on? Whatever. Oop, focus. There you go. Whatever, I just have to get ready, I guess. There's not an option. And I can't miss school or else Mom is gonna get real mad at me. Let me just fix this really quick, okay? And anyways, let me just pick an outfit. Wait, before I even pick an outfit... Oh, wait, yeah. Wait, I do have to pick an outfit. Never mind. Let's see. What's so cute? I wear this. No. This? Ew, no. This? Yeah, no. Okay, I'll just wear this, I guess. Just put these clothes over here and close that. I don't really have any accessories to wear, so yeah. But either way, so I just put this in the elevator so I can go downstairs and take a shower. And let me just... Oop. What is my camera that for? Okay, I guess that's kind of good. Anyways, let me just put this outfit in the bathroom. Pretend she's carrying it, guys. And I'll probably take out a face mask. I'll take out, nope, this one. That one looks good. Can I put this outfit over here? I said over. I'm gonna freak out. Ooh, that's cool. Bum 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 bum. Oh shoot. Are you okay, tablet? Anyways, bum 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 bum. Anyways, let's put it over here. Put it over here. There we go. Okay, I'll just wear this. Bum, 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 bum. And I'll just put this there until I'm finished showering. And then turn on the faucet. Turn on the faucet. And then let's take a shower. Okay, let's go. And I don't really know how to call this, but yeah. Put some shampoo. And then some, conditioner. Boom, 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 boom. And then we can just turn off that faucet. We put on this face mask. Put on my outfit. Guys, I'm gonna put on a basket. I'm gonna put on a basket for the good dirty clothes. Cause I'm too lazy to make her bring this up there. Yeah, and I just pick these clothes by the end of the day. Okay, now I can just take off my face mask. Oop. And now I can just brush my teeth. Take out my toothbrush, put on some toothpaste, and then now that I just, oopies, I'm just gonna rinse that underwater, and then just brush my teeth. Let's ignore that. Okay, now I can just turn this off, then put this back there, and then, so we put that, rinse that underwater. Yep, okay, now let me just quickly brush my hair. Claire, hurry up, the bus is here. The bus is here, I'm not even ready. Oh gosh, I'm gonna go upstairs. Come on. Okay, now I have to do my bag. Oh, I should hurry up. Sorry, Max, I really gotta get ready right now. Here's your food, okay? Meow. Oh, he's so cute. Anyways, I better hurry up. Okay, let me quickly do my skincare. I don't have time. Just need to rush this really quickly. Alright, there we go. Yeah, that was not it. Okay, and then just put this down. Okay, let me quickly get my bag. Okay, so for my book, let me put this book and then this book. Guys, I forgot that I had to reset my Toka Boca, and I forgot the oh wait, never mind. I found a water bottle. I found another water, and another water, and another water, and I'm saying I don't have one. Okay, so I'm just gonna bring that water bottle, and I'm bringing my phone, because I can never live without my phone. Comment down below if you can never live without your phone. Okay, I put my phone down. Okay, now I can just go downstairs. Wait, I still need to do some more stuff. Okay, I forgot. Oops, sorry for the background noise. Great, I forgot to wear my stupid glasses. Bro. Okay. Now, so I have to wear my stupid glasses. Bye, Max. Oh no, I need to give him more food. Okay, now I just gotta give him some special treats for Max and Taffy. And then I'm pretty sure that Coco will want some food, so I'll put them to ways. I don't wanna leave you guys, but I miss you guys. Bye. Okay, so I'm just gonna go down. Claire, the bus is about to leave. Oh shoot. And great, the bus left. Now you have to walk to school, and I don't want you to do that. Oh my gosh. No, I'm in big trouble now. Claire. Gosh, Carmela, I expected better than you. I mean, what? Let's retry that. I expected better than this. You must be on time every time. I don't like you walking to school every day. I'm only taking the bus too. I know, Mom, I'm really sorry. Whatever, just grab the keys. And what? Okay, grab the keys. Bing. Bye, Mom, I love you. Wait for me, I want to give you a kiss. Mom, I'm already so late. Why are you giving me a kiss right now? Can I not give you a kiss? It's not that late. Fine. Oh, why is it so cold? Pretend there's snow falling down. Ba-dum-bum-bum-bum. Ba-dum-bum-bum-bum. By the way, I forgot to tell you guys this earlier. But I'm gonna start earlier, even though I said like starting the video, even though I said that I was gonna do this at 90 subscribers. I couldn't wait, so I was like, let's go. Anyways, let's continue. Okay, I think we should go back in. I'm getting a notification on my phone. Okay. Oh, now it's not so cold. Ding, 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 ding. Oop, I forgot to check my phone for the notification. Oopsies, I didn't mean to turn that on. Okay. Let's see. Dun, dun, dun. Hello, Toka City. There has been a really huge, it was a bunch of snow falling down that will eventually build up to 6 inches. No, there's not going to be any school in Toka City for probably 3 days. Stay safe and goodbye. Boom. My hands are really sweaty for some reason. Yes, no school, no school. I guess you're not in trouble now. Oops, I forgot to change the face. What was the face I was looking for? Okay, there we go. I guess you're not in trouble now. Can I go up to my room, please, please, please? Yeah, either way, but wait for me. I have to go up to the room. Whatever, come on. Coming. I keep doing this and this and this and this and this because like I want to see the screen clear, but whatever. Okay, let's pitch it there, and then let's get to the second floor. I'll say in the elevator since duh, my room is on the 3rd floor. Okay, whatever. Bye. Okay, we're here, Mommy. We're here. Oops, we're here. Oh, kids, you guys didn't get the news? No, my TV is turned off. Sign here. My TV is turned off. I don't know why I said a saying like that. I'm really sorry. Oh, well, you guys don't have school. Yeah, twins, you guys don't have school. Oopsies. What the hell? We don't have school. We don't have school. Yeah, we don't have school. Yeah. Wait, let me join in, guys. Kids. So baby is sleeping. I think your dad is sleeping. Didn't Dad have to go to work today? I think he does. I think I got canceled because of this, like the storm or something like that. Yeah, whatever. I'm going up to my room. Okay. Yay! I can just change into my PJs. Wait. Bruh, I keep taking off the stars of her face. I know they're like probably like pimple patches, but at the same time, I'm not calling it pimple patches. Because, you know, it's not pimple patches for her. It's just gonna be like stars, but for the Camilla, yep, it is gonna be pimple patches for her. Now I can just put my like tablet or something like that. Now I don't have to do something boring. Oops. Sit down in your seat. Sit your butt down. Thank you. Yeah, I can put away my. Can you open? Yay, I can put away my backpack. And I can change. Oh, wait, no. With my Christmas vibes. And then put my clothes away. Don't think that weird. And then I can just play on my Froggy tablets. We set up, guys. I said I was gonna bring this, so boom, whatever. Let's go. Okay, so now let me just put this away, and now I can just put my Stanley, my phone. You know, shoot, I forgot to put the keys down. Whatever. If Mom calls us for dinner, then I'm gonna put it down. Bro, my camera won't focus. Oopsies. Let me put shoes here. And let me put shoe here. Hey Max, guess what? I don't have school today. Anyways, let me put in my PJs, or at least something comfy, cause yeah. Let me see. Then I'm gonna just put this on. Okay, let's go. Okay, I'll just pack my stuff out later. And let me just like at least call the whole group chat. Hey guys. Hey. Once again, I have to do this. Do you guys get the news? Yeah, I did. Okay, so do you guys want to play Roblox? Yeah, I guess, sure. But you guys want to play? What about Murder Mystery 2? Okay. Yeah. I'll just get my tablet and like get into. Please. Go into Roblox. Okay, let's go. I know I put her thing down here, but like it covers half of the tablet. And yeah. Okay. Oh, come on, guys. Okay, guys, I'm innocent. Okay, I'm murderer. Oh no. Guys, I have to go. Bro, already? It's just been like 10 minutes. It's actually been an hour. Oh. Okay, bye. I think I have to go too. Bye. This is so boring. I have nothing to do. I guess I'll take a nap. Okay, so let me just think that. And then I'll just like put my glasses cases here. Okay, and then put my sleeping mask. And I'm gonna sleep. Meanwhile, what the mom is doing. I'm hungry. Yeah, same. I'm gonna go make dinner. I'll just wear this really quick for dinner, so I don't get my pajamas basically messed up. Anyways, let's go. Okay, let's go. What the? Ain't no way. Fortnite with Legos. That's crazy. Anyways, let me stop getting distracted. Okay, let's just go. Okay, I don't know what to make for dinner. Okay, let's just get this. Open this up. Wait, let's fill this up with water. And then just put you here. And then wait until it gets like hot. Then I got this spoon so I can just mix it. Okay, I think that's good. So now pretend she's holding the pot with like the two sides. Now I can do that. Let me put you in here. I know you can fit. I have my confidence on you. Never mind. I'm gonna use my finger for this part. Wait, let me see. Will you fit? Ooh, what the heck? Whatever, it's just for the pasta. Pretend like she just doesn't drink it. She just puts it over there. Bruh. And let me just get some bacon, and then put you over here. Get a knife, and there we go. And I hate how Toca Boca doesn't let us mix the food on the table. I literally have to take off the whole entire pasta over here, and like put the bacon on, and then I can just put the pasta back in. Like, please, Toca Boca. Oops. Fix it. Our prayers are please fix that. Anyways, and I had to make 4 more. Be right back. Wait, transition 3, 2, 1. Yay! Before I even do anything, let me put these on the table. And I actually needed 3 because the twins already have like their own plates. Well, the toddlers already have their own plates, so they won't be able to need some. And then the baby, like, she just needs her baby food. And I forgot a baby food. Anyway, I need to serve everyone some drinks, so take 3 basically. Give them some juice. I don't really feel like doing everything, so I'll just put these at the table. And then get one. Oh, not the whole stack. I said one. I said, okay, that, okay, and then let's get the juice, and then close up, and then I can give it to you. Now, I can't forget about the twins. Okay, now I just gotta get the toddlers some juice, too.
Excuse me, we're gonna need those horses. No, thank you.
And just put them right there on the counter. Okay, now I can call the whole family. Guys, time for dinner. Guys, time for dinner. Ooh, it's time for dinner. Sissy, it's time for dinner. Daddy, it's time for dinner. Okay, so let me turn that off and stay in the elevator. Turn this off and go to the elevator. Oh, it's time for dinner. Okay, I just take the baby and go to the elevator. Pretend that Camilla like hears it too, so like, cause I'm too lazy to like, oh shoot, never mind, I have to do that part. Okay, then you guys have to go in here, go in here, go in here. Guys, I can't finish the rest of this video today because first of all, I have school tomorrow, and second of all, my phone's about to die. It's literally at 9%, so I might have to stop this video right here, right now. But I'll make the video. I'll make probably the rest of the video tomorrow. Actually, yeah, I'm pretty sure tomorrow. Transition in 3, 2, 1. I'm back, you guys. I'm gonna continue recording this. But by the way, the background noise is going to be my computer. Yeah. Anyways, let's go. I had to watch back for my recording because I forgot on what part I was even, I mean, not what part, but like what I was even doing. So yeah, ASMR. Oops, sorry. Okay, anyways, let's continue. Claire, food's ready. Guys, food's ready. Why did I kind of like bark and kind of coughed on that? I don't even know. Why are you barking? Literally let me sleep, please. Guys, food's ready. Oh, it's about food. Yes. Okay, so I'll just put this. I kind of feel like changing, so I'm gonna change. Okay, so I'll just wear this. And then I have to hurry up or else my mom is gonna yell for like the... How many times? 4 times. I don't know if I meant to do that part, but okay, let's just continue. So, I kind of forgot I put these stuff. Okay, guys, give me a quick second. I don't really know why I even brought these. I don't really need them. Hopefully I don't regret that. I'm here, Mom. Okay, go to the dinner table. Okay. Okay, now you can guys sit on your chairs. My camera won't focus. Focus, please. Okay, you have to bear with me with this kind of quality. Oh, I could just do that. Okay. Okay, pass me the baby so I can put it in her high chair. Okay. Nope. And put you. Can you please sit down? Thank you. Okay, now we can eat. Boom. Bum. Bum. Oh guys, it's getting dark. You guys should get ready for bed. I don't want to go to sleep. Oh, too bad. But I don't have school. Come on, please don't start a fight. I'm not trying to, but I don't have school. You know you don't have school. It's really late, and you stayed up really bad. Like, bleh. You stayed up late a long time too yesterday and the weeks before that. So we really want you to have a better sleep. Yeah, honey, please. We don't want to fight with you, but just like saying. Okay, fine. Bro, I hate doing this. boom, boom. Why aren't you closing? It's not closing because we still need to like go up there. If that even made sense. If you guys didn't understand what I meant like the twins, the dad and the baby have to go upstairs so they can go to sleep. Are you gonna wash the plates? Yep, go put the kids to sleep. Okay, I will. Bruh, can you, come on kids, let's go to sleep. Coming. Oh shoot, I forgot the baby voice. Or the toddler voice. Coming. Why is it so dark on my screen? Like probably for you, for your perspective, it's probably not dark. But for mine, it is really dark. So I'm gonna turn on some lights really quick. Like for example, that one's on, but it's still dark. Okay, but I think that's good enough. Okay, Camilla, you can go up to your room. Finally! Wait. You have to brush your teeth. Stop giving that attitude, please. We just want to have a good night. Well, sleeping early isn't going to help anything. Hey, okay, jeez. Don't need to raise your voice, please. Please. Just... Okay, I don't know why I did that. Okay, whatever. Come on, we need to brush our teeth. Okay, let's go. Set you guys down. Okay, here, guys. Oh wait. Okay, now let's rinse this under. Oh shoot. Okay. Come on, thank you. Anyways, okay, turn the faucet off and then just turn my toothbrushes. Turn on. Thank you. Okay, and then just okay, now you guys can just go to your bedrooms and because I'm not like putting the covers on you or anything like that. That's Dad's job. I'm not doing it. We never asked you. Ugh, whatever. You guys are living with your toothbrushes? Oh yeah, we forgot. Ugh. No. Okay, we're going. Bye. Okay guys, all you guys need to do is just like, you guys don't need to put in your PJs, just get ready. Pinky. And then this. Good night, Daddy. Good night, honey. See you tomorrow. And you. Good night, guys. Bye, Dad. Good night, honey. See you tomorrow. Whatever. Let's just tuck you in. Good night. Now I need to change into my PJs. Okay, now I can finally go to sleep. Dang, Dad, my dad's snores really loud. Good thing that my friends are not coming over right now. Whatever. Let's just go to my room. Okay, good thing I don't have to change because I already changed. Okay, so I'll just get to my plushies and then my sleeping mask. And then, oh wait, before I even do anything, let me just turn off my alarm. Okay, so now I did it. Okay. So you guys, I don't really have any more ideas for this roleplay, so this will probably be the last part. You guys recommend more ideas in the comments. Oh, why is it doing that? Yeah, that's so funny. Okay, there we go, much better. So you can guys recommend more ideas for probably the next roleplays. Hopefully YouTube doesn't like turn off my comments. But yeah, like and subscribe if you enjoyed this video, and see you next time, probably tomorrow, but bye.